Hey beauties, I'm Micalah A and welcome to my channel. So this is my first install video of one of my clients. I'll be doing a frontal wig with soft curls and I'll be using a flat iron for those curls. But yeah, so by the way, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, leave any comments that you have and I will get to them. I just relocated to Dallas, so I'll be more active now that I'm settled in. I'll be dropping more install videos soon. And yeah, but let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is a braid down. She was natural, so I just put some simple braids up here, nothing too much. And you're gonna clip the ears out of the cap on both sides so it can be flat. Spraying some hairspray so I can see her hairline exactly, so I can place the glue where I need to. And I'm taking my ghost bond glue to like shape out her hairline. And I use this because it's not strong and it won't do no damage. I don't use the got to be spray no more because it takes too long to dry. So this is better, like, and it's be flat, like it be flat. Like everything looks good and blended when I use the glue. And you don't need that much glue. I did use too much, but again, it didn't like harm anything. But normally I would just like really sit it on the hairline and just blend it out a little bit. But yeah, don't use a lot. And by the way, shout out to this client. She was very nice and sweet, and this was her first wig install, so she was really comfortable with me, so that's like a bonus. And yeah, if you're in the Dallas area and need an install, hit me up because I'm available. after cutting off the cap, I'm going to go in with some more makeup and just make sure that I didn't miss anything. And if you see some more like cap a little bit on the edges, just put some more glue down and smooth it out, and it's gonna be flat and blended. And I'm gonna do that later, but right now I'm just making like seeing where the wig needs to be, making sure everything is good. And I'm gonna cut out her ears on both sides, and then we're gonna be ready to install. Okay, so I'm going in with my first layer of glue. I do the like the whole, like all of it, instead of doing one side, one side, one side, one side. I just go ahead and just lay all my glue down at one time. I don't have a problem with this, so yeah. And I am using Erica J glue, hold me down, for the install. So yeah, and we're just gonna smooth it out. Okay, listen. Do not, I think everybody know this by now, but if you're gonna put the glue down on the cap, bring it down to the skin, because that's what I do. I place the glue on the cap, then I smooth it down to her skin so it can have something to hold on to, and so the wig won't come up. Okay, so do that. And then I'm going to put on an elastic band just so it can melt down a little bit more. So yeah, so I'm putting on the elastic band, and when I do that, I'm just going to start styling her hair. She did want a side part, so I'm going to carve that out. Then I'm going to hot comb everything flat, and then I'm going to get started on the curls. Okay, so taking off the elastic band, and now I'm going in and cutting off the lace. Now, when I cut this lace, please don't be alarmed. Like, everything is fine, everything is okay. It is not blended because I do an extra step for that, like the blend bust down process. Yeah, but just keep watching. Like, everything gonna shake back, period. But yeah, so I'm just gonna cut the lace off, and it does look a little light. I think this was transparent or HD lace. I don't remember, but when using a transparent lace, you really want to make sure that the makeup is the exact color, and you will have to do an extra step to blend it out, like into the skin. So yeah, just watch everything that I do, and you're gonna be good. Like, it's looking better already, but I really have to do the melt again and then the elastic band again. But yeah, just keep watching. find your hair, yeah, a hairspray that you like, and just spray it on the lace, and then you're gonna put on your melted cap. Like, look at the lace already. Like, look at that. Like, this is the secret formula to a bomb install. Okay, but yeah, that's the install. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. All of my socials will be in the description box, period. Like, yeah, she was feeling it. But yeah, the light messed up right here. But yeah, I got some more videos on my socials, so just go look at it. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to come back. It is Micalah A. And thank you. I'll have more videos up soon. So yeah, bye.